Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Samreen and welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing well. In today's class we will do the exercises of present continuous tense part 2. So in the first exercise you have to match the correct sentences from the second box as it is given in the first example. Please don't make so much noise. And the best matching answer is I'm trying to work. I need to eat something soon. So why do you need to eat something? Because you're getting hungry. So it's the answer E. I'm getting hungry. I don't have anywhere to live now. So you are searching for some home or something like that. So the answer, best matching answer is I'm looking for an apartment. We need to leave soon. We need to leave soon. Maybe it's getting late. So it's getting late. A option. They don't need their car anymore. Okay, then they don't need their car anymore. They are trying to sell it. So the thing that you don't use, you sell it. Things are not good at work. Okay, things are not good at their work. Maybe it is losing financially. So the company is losing money. Answer number H. It isn't true what they said. So something was not true what they said. It means that they were lying. So they are lying. Option number B. We are going to get wet. So maybe it is starting to rain. So it is starting to rain is the answer. Now you have to complete the conversation. Okay, in the next exercise. I saw Brian a few days ago. Oh, did you? What is he doing? What's he doing these days? You have to answer in continuous tense. He is at university. What is he studying? What is he studying? Psychology is the answer. He is studying psychology. Now you have to ask कि वो enjoy कर रहा है. Is he enjoying it? Yes, he says it's a very good course. Look at the second conversation. Hi Nicola. How is your new job? How is your new job? And she's answering not bad. It wasn't good at first, but it is getting better now. What about Daniel? Is he okay? Someone is asking about Daniel to Nicola. Yes, but he is not enjoying his work right now. He has been in the same job for a long time and he is beginning to get bored with it. It's something that you do for a prolonged time, you tend to get bored with that thing. Okay, so you need to put the verb into the correct form. It can be a negative, it can be positive according to the demand of the sentence. Let us look at the first sentence. Please do not make much noise. I'm trying to work. Let's go out. It isn't raining anymore. You can turn off the radio. I am not listening to it. Something that you are not doing. Kate phoned me last night. She's on holiday in France. She is having a great time and doesn't want to come back. I want to lose weight. So this week you are losing weight, so you're not doing something. एक चीज़ आप नहीं कर रहे हो. So I am not eating my lunch. Andrew has just started evening classes. He is learning. He's learning Japanese. Paul and Sally have had an argument. They are having an argument. जो argument करते हैं एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते हैं. तो they are not speaking to each other. So I am getting tired. I need a rest. Tim dashed today. He's taken the day off. उसका वो छुट्टी पे तो वो आज काम नहीं करेगा. Tim is not working today. He's taken a day off. Dash for Sophie. Do you know where she is? So you're looking for someone. So I am looking for Sophie. Do you know where she is? That was all about this fill in the blanks. Now you have to fill in the blanks with these following verbs given in the blank. The population of the world is increasing very fast. The world dash things never stay the same. The world is changing. The situation is already bad and it is getting worse. The cost of living dash. Every year things are more expensive, so the cost of living is rising. Cost of living means the basic necessities are, the prices of the necessities are increasing, and the prices never remain same, they always keep on fluctuating. The weather dash to improve. The rain has stopped and the wind isn't at strong. So the weather is starting to improve, the rain has stopped and the wind isn't as strong. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.